What's up fellow coders, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to teach you the decision making process in Python 3. So decision making means if or else. So what is if or else? So I'm going to talk to you about that. First let's open the IDE, and we're not going to program on shell anymore. We're going to open a new file and close this shell. So let's save it somewhere first. So I'm going to save it on the desktop saying, okay, let's say tutorial, and save as type as Python file, so it will determine itself and give it extension .py saved. So as you can see, here's the tutorial Python over here. So we are gonna code over here. So before any of decision making programming, I'm gonna show you about the comments. What are comments actually? Comments are those sections that are not displayed to the client actually who's working with the application. It's like for the coders to understand better. So to use a single line comment, you just need to press pound and type in this is a single line comment. You can type whatever you want. It is not visible to the users, but it is visible to you coders to understand like what am I doing. Let's say I forget something. Let's say, okay, this is a print function. So sorry. So I don't want to get messed up like, oh come on, what is print function or something like that. I know it's really dumb, but just to understand, let's say print something, you know, whatever. And this is a print function. So it won't be visible to the users and it will be visible to you. This is a single line comment. Similarly, there is a multi-line comment that involves 3 double quotation mark or a 3 single quotation mark, and you have to close it with 3 single quotation marks as well. Sorry, this is 4 actually. And whatever you type comes in green color. That means that it is a comment. As you can see, this is a multi-line comment. It can be anything. See, it's really good, and commenting is a good habit because it enables you to understand, and also to others who really want to check your code, they can really understand like what are you doing over there. So let's get started with our decision making process. So it involves if else conditions. So I'm going to declare a variable called variable equals to 100. So we're going to use if condition over here now. If, let's say, if our variable is less or greater, we're going to give something condition over here. If variable is less than 500, which is true because our variable is less than 500, and we need to end our condition by colon, and we press enter. As you can see, it has indented a bit because it is Python that identifies that it is a if function, and the function is used correctly because there is a colon, and that's how we use if condition colon and press enter and put on the output what to do if it is true or false. So let's say print you are correct. So if variable is less than 500, print you are correct. Let's save it and run it. To run it, simply press F5. It says you're correct because 100 is less than 500. So if you want to run, you can just press over run and just say run module. As you can see, it says you're correct over here. So similarly, we're going to use the else condition over here, like else. Similarly, you don't need to use condition in else. You can just simply type else and end it with a colon, and it will indent itself, and else print. Nope, you are wrong. Let's print it. So it goes through the code from the starting variable equals to 100, and it will check if our variable is less than 500 or not. Yes, it is. So it will execute this function print you're correct. So it won't need to go to the else condition. So how can we use this else condition? We are going to say if variable is greater than 500, which is not. So it will go, okay, as you can see, nope, you're wrong. So variable is not greater than 500, so it won't execute the code that you're correct, but it will go to another code that is else code, so it will print no, you're wrong. So that's very simple, guys. Similarly, I'm going to show you a nested if condition which is called If-Else-Elif. There's another called Elif. So you cannot only work with if and one condition, else with no condition. We need Elif. Let's say Elif variable equals to 100. Sorry, that is assigning. See, I did a mistake over here. It's not equal, it is assigning. This one is equal. Now press enter. Similar process, Elif condition colon enter, and the command print it is equal to 100, and else just let's just print sorry, that is orient. Okay, so let's just view it as if our variable is greater than 500, which is not, print you're correct. So it won't do that. Elif another condition, it goes to another condition. If our variable is equal to 100, print it is equal to 100. So we can totally guess without running the program that it is going to execute the Elif version, which is it is equal to 100, and it won't need to go to the else. So let's just execute it, and as you can see, it is equal to 100. So that's a great thing to do. Similarly, you can also use strings in if-else condition. I'm going to show you right over here. Let's say my string equals to let's say name. Let's just give it a name. So we give if my string equals to name, print your name is Bake, which is my name actually. So if my name is equal to the string name, print your name is Bibek. Actually, you don't need this for a while. Let's just comment it out. And but actually, sorry, we need that. My string is equal to my name. So we're gonna run this and save it. It will say your name is Bibek, but let's say names, it won't. We are gonna use else print name not identified. So it is definitely gonna say name not identified, because if my string is equal to the exact letters, which is not, because my string has name, but I'm giving a condition if my string is equal to name yes, then print this, but there is not, so it will execute another else command. So it will say name not defined. So that is decision making, guys. This is just a basic, and we're gonna talk about more advanced stuff in coming videos. And thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment.